Yo, what's going on, guys? Blades of Fire here. Welcome to a brand new YouTube video. Also, welcome to the brand new channel. This is Wolf and Blade Club, a channel where me and Wolf will post tons and tons of different cheats and mods for different types of games. If you guys want to get GTA mods, make sure to go check out our main channels, Modded and Ultra Wolf. But today I will be showcasing a cheat that I literally just found that is safe and amazing to use for a game called Combat Master. If any of you have ever heard of it, it's pretty much just bootleg fucking Call of Duty. But yeah, it's pretty fun. If you guys want to use this menu, obviously join the Discord in the description down below, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this menu. Let's get into it. So obviously go down in the description down below and join the server, and you'll have to verify your account. You can read this if you guys want to, and then verify your account right here. Then you'll get all these goodies, and you just calm down to Wolf and Blade. Now you can see all of our different options, but what we're doing today is Combat Masters. As you can see, literally just added it. I found it from another one of my friends, but for some reason on his channel he didn't post a key. I don't know why he did it, because it's the same key for everyone. So I put the key right there for you guys, so it's super easy and super laid back to just download. All you gotta do is join the Discord. But anyways, all you have to do is click download, continue to download. Make sure your virus protector is off. Again, with any cheat you use, you have to turn your virus protector off. It's retarded, but it's how it works. All you gotta do is click down, save, and wait for that bad boy to save, and click open where it's at. And as you can see, you can have it in a zip file. If you don't have WinRAR, then it'll just download as a zip file, but I just recommend downloading WinRAR. Just makes things a lot easier. But anyways, open up that WinRAR. You can drag it to your desktop if you want, but you don't have to. As you can see, here's the exe right here. We can close this out right now, or just minimize it and minimize that. All you got to do is open up Combat Masters and then bring that file over back to here. Alright, now that I'm loaded up into Combat Masters, all you have to do is double click the exe file. As you can see, it'll load. And I've already injected my key, so when you load up, just go to the Discord, copy this key, click Control C, minimize it, and then paste it in by pressing Control V. And then once you paste that in, it'll automatically always paste in, and it's a one-time key, so you never have to paste the key in again. You just can inject over and over and over. So just close that out and press inject. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you have the cheats injected. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been Blades of Fire. Again, subscribe to our new channel. Me and Wolf's probably gonna be posting a video sometime soon. But yeah, let me get straight into the showcase. Peace.
Bum. I go again in the wind with my Tech 9. Here I go again in the wind with my Tech 9. Here I go again in the wind with my Tech 9. Here I go again in the wind with my Tech 9. Here I go again in the wind with my Tech 9. Here I go again in the wind with my Tech 9.
Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is?
It's fear. Have you checked the children?